This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Also, I don't know. All right, young Fensiana, Yafi, young Shas, answer more questions no mamma. I will. Misha said the flu.
Yeah. Bibisa say, Yenya situation ya, or might be qualified to the World Cup, one qualified or AFCON, Yenya Bida. So Nigeria making it to World Cup 1998 France, but Oman making it to Burkina 98. Now I know na calf ban, and so during the South Africa 1996, Omonya political tension between the government of Nigeria, then being led by General Sani Abacha the late, and then the government of South Africa, then being led by Madiba, Nelson Mandela, and Tienya problem and no man Nigeria withdraw from the 1996 AFCON. CAF Ebanium subsequent AFCON, which was 1998. Oman could be quite apart from that. Nigeria now qualify to the 2018 World Cup, but failed to qualify to the 2017 AFCON. So yenya a situation that Obisu Bisa say decade yenya say Kotokoni has nkwana winning league. Since ye share league as no decade ubenya se Kotokoni has nkwana league the decade of 80s between 1980 to 1989 and then the decade of 2000 to 2009. These are the decades in Kwa Obeka se Kotokoni has nkwana league from the 60s, from the 70s, from the 1990s, from the 2010s, and the Edenya Obi say some of the teams Ebeji League either apart from Kotoko has. So the decade of 1980s, Kotokoni has nkwana G because Kotoko winning 80, 81, 82, 83 has been winning 84, 85, and at the subsequent ones, Kopim 89, won by Kotoko in 2000, so Sawasha 2000, 2001, 2002 has a winning, 2003 Kotoko be winning, 2004 has been winning, 2005 has Kotoko winning, 2006, 7 has, 2007, 8 Kotoko, 2008, 9 has folk. So Osha, these are the decades. I will say Kotoko ne has some Kwan G League no. But the other decades, the 60s, the 70s, the 1990s, and the 2010s, the last one, a few minutes, there was some clubs, I want to have a G League. Sejo, Obisu Bisa say, Ghana, a total goals I share, World Cup, saying. In total of 3 World Cups, I share 13 goals. So, our first World Cup, Germany 2006. Your first game against Italy, you lose 2-0 in Tianshegu. You share Czech Republic 2-0. And I share USA 2-1. So we share in after group stages you share 4 goals. The round 16 you lose to Brazil. So in that tournament Germany 2006 you share only 4 goals per. 2-2 against Germany. And I saw you lose 2-1 against Portugal. So 4-5-4. In all you share 13 goals at the World Cup. So Joe Bisu Bisa say Charles Taylor Bob Black Stars matches that even and yes Bokra our captain that even our share 2 goals. Mekai qualify for Tunisia 2004. Yen Timian qualify. Ye share Rwanda 4-2B at Accra Sports Stadium. Our first coach our dear call World Cup Ratome Dukovic. Now our the touchline for the Rwandan national team. Now the late Emmanuel Kosia Frani and all the touchline for the Black Stars. That day Derek Boatin, Charles Amoa and Charles Taylor scored twice. And Charles Taylor was given the captain's armband that day. And after that match, Ratome Dukovic Bisa said Ghana will play a bit like this and one team call World Cup da. And Sergio, quite apart from that, Mekai even qualified for Germany 2006 in South Africa Ukuma. Oni Abubakar Yahuza Munina Basekaf. So we bought 16 games for our national team and we share 2 goals. Sergio Obinsu Bisa say you were North African referee. What did a game between West African and North African club? Like said you appointed a North African referee Obabedi JS Saura any house of folk game Eba Bebasui. Sergio Kotokoni Etoile du Sahel, the second leg no. Ewo Tunisia. An Egyptian referee in the shape of Mohammed Adel El Said Hussein and did that game no and did 3-0 against Kotoko. They no ball justice Blair no but referee penalty that day and Karim Aribi scored twice on that day. Omode che Kotoko 3-0. So say Obi Bisa say yenya ebia West African club ni North African club ebo with the West African referee and North African referee over the center of the pitch no example no. So Joe Bisu Bisa say after Kotokonias, which club is the most successful? Ghana. Say Joe say no the Ash Gold. Because Ash Gold na G League duo as a GFA Cup change other clubs in terms of because league nkwa we Kotokonias Ash Gold na G duo. Say Joe Bisu Bisa say the weights in boxing yes saying near tiana say first near 8 and a din 9 beka ho man be do 17 say you so say say you was 17 weight divisions boxing you the light you the minimum weight which is 105 pounds equivalent to 48 grams 48 kilograms. The next one light flyweight and also 108 pounds and we have 49 kilograms. Your flyweight, your super flyweight, bantamweight, super bantamweight, featherweight, super featherweight, lightweight, super lightweight, welterweight, super welterweight, middleweight, super middleweight, light heavyweight, cruiserweight, and heavyweight. Now, said you the attorney say so obi ye koye weighing in na obi broswa. Yebema game na yebema ne chance say on tennis so kakra say wantimi antene so a yebema game na continue say ono a obro so no owini a yebe declare title ne vacant so ese obia ebewo within that weight na ya declare no either say wo lightweight and but for heavyweight yes you eno e unlimited the other cruiserweight from the cruiserweight to the minimum weight need na there your amount of weight I say weigh in. So said you, I think say I'm done with my questions. Okay. He started with Le Mans and ending with Phoenix Risings. USC.
All right. Awal Mohammed Hudu.